The following informational video is intended for dent repair technicians. If you are not the intended audience for such a video, be aware that the verbiage is meant for those with a working knowledge of the trade. Thank you.
All right, hey guys, check this out. So I think one of the most under the radar, or at least to me, thing that is really doing great things for the industry right now is Anson has really stepped up their soft tip game. The number of soft tips they're offering now is just bonkers to me. So for instance, I think it's like the grapple, or this guy right here, and the way the tip looks is pretty incredible. So that it looks like that, the tipple, right? So that'll fit onto there. But what I'm finding now is with what Anson has to offer is they have all these different broad tips where on the complexity of my damage, starting from start to finish, bigger to smaller, I can start with this tip and then move to this tip. And then, I still do have my tried and true, R4 cherry cap. You can't beat that, but they also have these guys right here, which they're not soft, they're a harder, softer, like a softer plastic, but harder than rubber. And then we have these guys, which fit on, can fit on, along with, guys, the number, there's another one. This is another softer plastic, but harder than rubber. Has a little bit of give to it. And then my favorite, actually, what I've come to really love, it's when I'm finishing, not finishing, but it becomes the last part, is I think they're calling them the metal morph pushing tips. And then here's the tip for it. And so this guy goes right onto there. And the thing I'm loving about Anson's tips, soft tips, and you can see I'm struggling just to put it on, is once they're on, they're on. There is no having them fail and slip off. I don't know if you've ever had an R4 cherry cap. So once it's on, man, it is, I can't pull it off. I'd have to take some vice grips. So Anson is really killing it when it comes to the soft tip game and just the whole from start to finish. And then I can come in and finish it with a metal tip after this. But I'm really, I don't think enough people are talking about all of their tips, the soft tips they're coming out with now. So I think you should really check that out.